Okay, so now here we have the same Raspberry Pi with the same P&Y solid state drive, but with the cable that you sent us. And we're going to let it try to boot up. We do get the cursor on the upper left side of the screen. And I want to note, we do get a flashing light that makes it look like it should be working. But we've sat here for several minutes and it hasn't ever booted up with this cable. But with our StarTech cable, it boots up in less than a minute, like in 30 to 40 seconds. And I'm going to cut the video off here just so the video is not too large to send by email. But nothing else changes after this. Like I said, we've waited several minutes after this.